and welcome to Keto Mountain from beautiful Switzerland. My name is Karima. If you find aubergine boring, then you didn't try mine. Today we are doing Zaalouk. It's a Moroccan recipe. All of my friends who tried it tell me how much they love it, even if they didn't care for it before. I am sure you will love it too. You will find the recipe down below in the info box in English and in German. If you didn't do it already, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for my next videos. Now, let's go and do it. I have here 4 medium eggplants that I am cutting lengthwise, keeping the skin. You don't want it too thick or too thin. We need some oil to grill our eggplants. I didn't have enough avocado oil, so I mix it with olive oil. Brush your eggplant with the oil and put it in your grill. My grill is already hot. If you don't have a grill, just use your oven. Brush the top. Grill them for about 3 minutes. Then turn them and grill them for another 3 minutes or until they are done. It is important to cover them so they stay moist. Repeat everything again until you are done. We will need 6 to 7 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, optional 1 to 2 teaspoons of harissa, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, and salt and pepper. The juice from half a lemon is optional. My burner is on medium heat. In a frying pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and the minced garlic. Saute for about half a minute. You have to be careful because it will burn very fast. I am adding here my eggplants. Try to smash it with your wooden spoon and stir it at the same time. At this point, I will add the spices: cumin, sweet paprika, harissa, pepper, salt, parsley, and coriander. Continue to saute while you are mixing. So here I decided to get another wooden spoon to make everything very small, so I can eat it more easily with my keto crackers. You should try it as well if some salt is needed. At this point, you want to add your lemon juice if you like it. I personally don't like it. That's the reason why I am not gonna add it. That's it. Our eggplant mix is done. Good appetit and thank you for watching.